this morning I woke up 5:30, made a silly video because it's day what of harvest? I don't know. And then I started a brisket on the smoker because I'm doing meals tonight. I'm supposed to be doing meals tonight. Thinking like, it's kind of spitting rain, we'll see. And by 7 I got a call, we need you in the field. So I am going to grain cart today. I don't know what we're going to do for dinners. There's still brisket on my smoker. We'll figure this out. The crew is split still, and whenever we do that, it makes things logistically a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to help, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we already unloaded once and loaded one truck, but I didn't realize it wasn't filming. We're trying to keep the windshield clean when it's spitting rain.
Should we go load a truck now?
We don't have enough.
Because we have one window filled.
Yeah, it's not enough, right?
Daddy goes faster than this. But you can go as fast as
Thanks for your permission. You're gonna be driving this before I know it. Aren't you?
I'm not going to teach myself like you did.
I didn't teach myself, Daddy taught me. Are you gonna need me before you get to the end here?
No, just meet me on the other side.
Here comes your favorite part.
We had some friends come out for a little while, and it was really fun to have them in the passenger seat with me.
This is marriage and farming. Read my mind.
Here comes Grandpa. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, that's not our field, so
Back up and...
a little bit.
Okay.
Don't worry about it too much, but don't swing out there. Thank you.
Okay. I don't love doing that.
Unloading over that route.
Yeah, it just makes me extra nervous for some reason because I can't see if something were to happen to you, even though nothing has ever happened to you. But
Loading front to back this time, that'll make some of you happy. It really just depends on where the truck is and what makes the most sense. With this cart, it takes about 2 minutes, maybe a little over 2 minutes to load a truck.
Watch the truck.
alright, hang on. I was actually thinking about the whole love at first sight thing because it's been 9 years since I walked onto the farm for the first time.
That's a lot of years.
Still remember that day like it was yesterday.
The day you thought you were gonna make a seed sale.
Nope, got myself a husband instead. I don't know, I think I came out on the better end of this deal than you did.
Well, I disagree.
I love you.
I love you too.
to switch out with my mother-in-law in the tractor so that Hank and I can go make suppers, and we'll keep moving with the day.
I had dinner started at the beginning of the day, and I decided to make the brisket with my grandma's famous pumpkin bars. I can link this recipe in the caption for you. This is one of my all-time favorite desserts to make and eat. Then I got started on some roasted vegetables. I chopped up the potatoes. I also cut up some onions and Brussels sprouts and broccoli.
Hey, wet porch cat.
There was a point in the day where I was really struggling in the motherhood department. There was a lot of whining going on, so I did a breathing exercise my counselor taught me. It might seem silly, but it actually does work and helps to calm me down so I can respond better to my kids.
Okay, let's talk about who they're going to. Dad, Grandpa.
I also added some carrots to the roasted vegetables before I put them in the oven.
Minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
For some of the guys, I decided to make brisket sandwiches, but we do have some guys on the crew that have some more dietary restrictions, so I only made this for a few of them. I toasted the buns and added a layer of cheese, and then the brisket, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. And then it was time to plate everything up.
Oh, shoot.
The guys with dietary restrictions got extra vegetables. I sometimes get comments about how many vegetables I serve the guys on our crew, but there's only a couple of them that really are picky. Otherwise, most of them really enjoy having vegetables as an option. And whenever I package up, I always add labels to the containers to make sure that I know whose is whose as I'm delivering. My sister-in-law was helping me deliver tonight, so I got everything packaged up in bags so I could hand them off to her easily.
Sexy Lyle. That's
I'm new at this.
12 out of 10.
Okay, we got done with meal delivery. My sister-in-law helped. It was amazing. Now the kids and I are home, and I'm really tired, but we got this big dinner mess to clean up. It's okay, we'll get it
As
done.
tired as I am some nights, I never regret cleaning up the kitchen. It helps start off the next day so much better, and future MP is always very thankful.
That's better.
Keep going.
Mom. Size.
Yep.
No. There's cheeky.
Cheeksies.
Size.